And if you add Arctic sea ice together with Antarctic sea ice, this is where we are. This is the anomaly, the divergence from the mean. There is no trend in sea ice on this planet. And yet they say that we're all going to die, and the species are all going to go extinct. This is Al Gore, 7 years ago, right to now. He said the ice cap is falling off a cliff. It could be completely gone in summer, and at least in as little as 7 years from now. That's today. So he's saying all the ice is going to be gone now, in 2000, in the year 2000 and whatever 7 years ago was. 8. This is the rise of the sea since the last glaciation retreated. 420 feet, over 120 meters lower than it is today, back then. And most of that rise took place here as the huge ice sheets melted on Canada and Russia. And actually, for the last 7,000 years, there hasn't been a lot of action in the sea level, because all the ice got melted. But now they're saying accelerated sea level rise will inundate Manhattan and Florida and everything. There's absolutely no indication of any increase in the rate of sea level rise. It's approximately 1.6 millimeters per decade, or per year, 1.6 centimeters per decade. And it's been happening for ever since 8,000 years. This is tropical cyclone energy. There is no pattern. As a matter of fact, now is still the longest period since a Category 3 or higher hurricane has struck the continental United States. Since 2005, 10 years, there has been no Category 3 or higher hurricane. That's why they called it Superstorm Sandy, because it wasn't a hurricane. It was just a storm with a lot of rain. I think this is getting close to the end of the climate part. Clouds are truly the wild card in climate change. In the computer models, because water vapor is a greenhouse gas, they assume that in a warmer world, there'll be more water vapor in the air, because warm air holds more water vapor than cold air. And therefore, they multiply the CO2 effect, the theoretical CO2 effect, by 2 or 3 times in their models to get the